Hello everyone, thank you for coming. My name is Dragos Nacu, IQ Aqua representative. Today I'm going to talk about our life-sustaining liquid, the water, and about smart hydration. Now we live in the century of speed. Everything is happening so fast. Everything is industrialized, so we tend to overlook important details. We deal with social pressure, anxiety, stress, so we breathe incorrectly, we eat unhealthy, and we don't hydrate properly. But we are what we drink. So when it comes to water, what choices do we have? Tap water is not good. It's a fact. It contains chlorine and so many other substances that makes it legally drinkable. So we move to bottled water. We have a mountain of plastic and many types of water. How do we choose the water? Nice logo, TV commercial, label, purified water, maybe not. 100% spring water, maybe this one. What is spring water? If I drill a hole in the ground, I take the groundwater out, I have a legally classified spring water. Now, if the groundwater comes from a contaminated area, my water is contaminated. But of course, it's not coming in the bottle contaminated because it's purified. But then what is the difference between purified water and 100% spring water? Well, the difference is that this company don't want you to know where the water is coming from. Could be easily tap water, filtered a little bit more, and bottled. Nice business, quick profit. You never know what you drink. So in the hunger of quick profit, many companies will sell bad quality water in bad quality packaging. Packaging is up to 90% of the cost of the bottled water, not the water quality. And then what do we get? A polycarbonate, bisphenols, BFS, BFA, a plastic that releases toxic elements in your body, in the water that you drink. So in the end, you transform yourself in a human water filtration system that can never be cleaned. We are what we drink. If you pay for water or water services anyway, wouldn't you rather enjoy a pure product? Now, IQ Aqua is a smart choice in hydration. IQ Aqua is a pure mountain spring water bottled directly at the source in its initial state. The source of IQ Aqua is the natural reservation Penteleu in the Carpathian Mountains. The source has an altitude of 1,000 meters. It's a complete green area, never polluted, never populated, just surrounded by an endless beech forest. Now this water is pure, natural alkaline, and balanced in minerals. It is unique because it is filtered and mineralized by nature, and its properties vary slightly from season to season, making it the perfect water to drink on a long term. With this water, your coffee and tea will taste better, and if you cook with it, your body will assimilate the nutrients more readily. The packaging is Tritan reusable bottles. What is Tritan? Tritan is the closest material to glass in terms of properties. It's not harmful for your body, not harmful for nature, is reusable. Tritan is the material used for baby bottle feeders. We are what we drink. So what do we choose to drink? What are we in relation to water? Our body is 65% water. Our brain is 85% water. Our eyes are 95% water. Even our bones are 31% water. We are what we drink. So how do you choose to respect your body? How do you choose to respect your life? How important are your employees for your business? But how precious is your family to you? We are what we drink. And with the proper hydration, we can think big. We can do more. We can feel better. We can live longer. Thank you.